For me, living a beautiful life, it's first of all spending it with the people that you really care about and just, making the most out of every day. This house was basically a ruin. Nobody lived in there for 30 years. It was really, really run down. We really just, we like the vibe, we like the location, we like that there's a lot of beautiful nature around it, that it has a big garden. We found an amazing architect who kind of helped us to really envision how this could be. So now it's ready and we're happy about it, and that's the most important thing. So first of all, we're definitely a family that loves to eat. Starting with my husband and I, we're absolute foodies. Here you just have like an amazing quality of fruits and vegetables. You get the most amazing fish, and it's of course like then super inspiring also to cook all year round. I always thought I'm like a big city girl, and then we moved here. So it has been kind of a very, I would say, calming journey for me and for us. So I try to reflect it in the house, this kind of sense of being calm, and trying not to be so rushed, all the time. It hopefully also comes a little bit back, to our overall stress level. Okay, let's go in the dining area. Well, as I said before, we love to eat. I also love to host. I love to have friends over. It's always when you have kids the question like, how nice do you want to make it? And my philosophy is I kind of still want to make it nice, and I try to work my way around the stains and stuff. But we really do enjoy it, and I have this from my mom. My mom always made sure we have nice family meals together, just to also appreciate that we have each other. And in general, I love to integrate some vintage pieces. I just think it gives a lot of character to a home. We really wanted to have a big table, and I found this actually from a vintage store in Lisbon. One of my biggest joys at work is to work with our design team and just think of beautiful furniture. So of course, it makes me super happy to have them in my daily life, be it like, this beautiful big vase or the chairs, or you're gonna see a lot of Westwing collection items in this home. But again, I would never furnish everything with Westwing collection, right? Because you also cannot dress fully in one fashion label, it's just boring. So I always integrate either vintage pieces or some nice design pieces that I just adore. I like this area a lot because, when I come into the house, I directly see it, and it just really makes me happy because it's pretty. It also makes me proud because almost everything here is Westwing collection, so that's really cool. There's some accessories, some smaller furniture that are not, but like all the big pieces are Westwing collection, and this makes me really happy. The house overall, the style, I feel like it's zen with a bit of glam. So this is also here reflected. I put like some little bits and pieces. So for example, I love elephants. I have a little elephant here, or basically everywhere in the house you can find probably some little elephants, some decorative pieces. I think in a living area, texture is super important. And I also love the contrast with kind of the stone tables. And as you can see, it's quite symmetrical, also arranged. So, and it just, at least for me, gives this very calming, feeling. And there's also a TV hidden back here. We're not only sitting here and talking, we also sometimes watch TV. So I have back here my office, and it's full with books. I love coffee table books about, art, fashion, interior. I just really love it, and it was important for me to kind of bring my collection here, yeah. Look how cool with Tina Turner. Here's our family room. We spend a lot of time here. I try to make it as tidied up as possible, or let's say easy to be tidied up. But everywhere in the closets, it's, toys and the big TV and such. Ah, hi Loli. Lola also has her bed in here. I have to say though, every night she climbs on the couch and sleeps here in the pillows. In terms of the design, I really wanted to put like a big couch where everybody has space, also when our relatives come. I wanted to make this family gallery wall with pictures of the kids. They really love it. They look at it a lot actually. So that's super cute. I wanted this room to be a space where the kids and the parents feel equally good. But here I just thought I'd make kind of a nice combination of everything. So I put a small coffee table so that there's a lot of room to play. But I put little cute kids chairs on the coffee table so that they can sit there and we all chill on the couch together. They love to play the floor is lava or stuff like this here a lot. So here in Algarve, it's all about the outdoor living. So we basically have like a second living and dining room out here. The garden design is done in a way that it's not too much grass. We try to reduce the grass simply because this year it's more like a dry garden, so it needs a lot less water. And we have this kind of round shape that I think is just such a cool feature. On a normal weekend, we just sit here a lot with the kids. We have some ice cream and yeah, just nice to sit in the shade of the pine trees. We're really surrounded by nature. So we hear the birds, the wind. Sometimes we can hear the ocean. The sky at night here in summer is just amazing. It's like so beautiful. And again, when you have like a nice glass of Portuguese red wine or two, it's even better. We want to experience, things, and not everything has to be directly like perfect. Same goes for our gardening. We're not the perfect gardeners, but we enjoy the process, and that's what it's really all about. How can we have, fun in this house? How can it be cool here? Like, how can we hang with the kids and hang with our friends? How can we have nice dinners here and cook and maybe have some little parties? And how can the kids play and such? That's always, in general, the special moments in a house. It's really always, the moments that you spend with the people that you love, be it your partner, your kids, your friends, your relatives, be it your animals, This is really what makes a house a home, in my opinion.